we're back for another video to talk about editing. Welcome back to another video, team. As you can see, got the laptop. So, as you guessed it, we're talking editing today. And it's really cold in my studio, so as you can see, I'm wearing winter clothes, and you can probably almost see my breath. She's nippy, so let's get this done quick. So what I want to talk about today is editing your images for the commercial photography space. By commercial, I mean working for businesses, brands, basically anything that's out there in the broad sort of commercial photography niche, which again is very broad, but you know, everything other than like weddings and portraiture and all that stuff. And essentially what I want to do is talk about how to edit your images to suit that genre or that niche. So let's jump into Lightroom and I'll quickly show you how you can do that using the free preset I'll put in the description. Like I've said before, no strings attached. It's just a quick editing preset to get you guys started. It's just a Google Drive download. I'll put it in the description. You can click on it, download it like that, you're done. So let's jump into Lightroom and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so here we are in Lightroom. Here's a couple of images that I've grabbed from a recent shoot. So first things first, I'll show you how to import presets. So if you go here into the Develop tab, select the photo so it pops up. And over here on the left hand side, you've got the presets tab. That's what it looks like when it's closed. So if you open that up, you'll see here I've got my presets. But to add a preset, all we do is hit that plus sign and go import presets. And there you go, it's opened on my downloads. And that's what the file will look like right there. XMP files are what preset files are. So you just double click that and it will bring it into your user presets area here. It's that simple. I'm not going to click it because I've already got it in here. But basically what I wanted to show you is how to get your images fit for a commercial client. As you can see, this is the raw image straight out of camera, you know, nothing done to it. If I come over here and click my standard 25 preset, which is the one in the description, you can see even that, like, done. You could deliver that like how it is. For me personally, I'm just going to drop out some shadows, tiny bit of shadows. Bring down the highlights a little bit more. We'll do a quick straighten on it. So if we go down to transform tab and we hit auto, that'll straighten things up a bit with the verticals. But like, you know, just like that, you're done. That's edited. You don't need to do anything more than that. It's crisp, it's clear, it looks how it looked in real life, but with a little bit more punch up and a little bit more pop to it. That's all you want to achieve with your commercial photography editing. We'll go to the next one. As you can see, a bit more to do here. This one's, you know, it's crooked and whatever. But we chuck that preset on, standard 25 preset. That makes things pop a bit more. Straight off the bat, we'll go auto on the transform. That'll straighten them up. And then we'll go, like for me personally, you know, again, take a bit of shadows out. Just make it look a bit more true to eye. We'll drop a few highlights out. Like, done. You're done. That's a commercial style image edited. It's that easy. And that's why I want to give you guys this preset to give you that good starting point. Like I said, we want true to eye images, true to life, that sort of are just crisp and they pop, the colors are vibrant. So let's look at, we'll reset that back to standard and we'll look at what it does. Doesn't touch the exposure. We've got plus 35 on the contrast. The highlights have been dropped out. Shadows have been bumped up, white's up a little bit, black's down, a little bit of dehaze and tiny bit of clarity. You can see that the colors are bumped a little bit, our vibrance and saturation. Go down to color. I mean, this is quite Sony specific. The oranges have been dropped out, -15, same with the reds, and that's just the correct skin tones on Sony's. All cameras might not need that. You might be able to chuck that orange back in. I mean, even there, it looks fine. You know, it's just sort of just a precaution because sometimes the skin tones are a bit off. And you can see -10 on the blue. Like you can see, like it's very basic stuff that's done. A tiny bit of sharpening in the detail tab. Obviously, you've got your denoise there. If you need to denoise any images, you just click that, and Lightroom does it all now. It's all automated. And lens profiles and enable profile corrections is on. And then obviously manually done the transform to straighten things up, and that's it. Like it's that simple. If you shoot it right in camera, this is all you need to do for your edits, and you're done. Like those are deliverable images. Easy. I just wanted to show you how to use that preset and how easy it is to get clean commercial style images out of your photography. All right, so essentially with commercial photography, like I said, we want clean, crisp images that are true to eye, and they just represent what we're shooting, how we saw it, with a bit more pop to it. You know, save all the trendy filters and blurs and crooked stuff and all, you know, all that weird colors and sepias and orange and teal and all those weird things. Save that for like wedding photography and portrait if that's your style. But like I've said before, if you're on your journey to making this into a career, think about what you want to be shooting in the future, what genres you want to be shooting and what niches you want to be shooting, and mold your style to fit that. If you want to shoot weddings, then, you know, go for your life, create your own trendy, like I said, faded or whatever it might be style. But if you want to shoot in the commercial space, your images just want to be crisp, clean looking images. Like I've said, I came from shooting snow sports, but I always knew my future was going to be in commercial photography because I'm sort of following the money, and that's what I like shooting. I like shooting with businesses and companies and brands and you know, doing that type of work. So I molded my style to fit that niche, and that's what you need to do. You need to always be thinking ahead and thinking about what you want to be shooting and who you want to be shooting for. So just remember, it's all good to explore different styles and different looks, and that's the joy of photography, is everyone's got a different eye. We all look at things differently, but there is certain styles that suit certain genres and niches, and in the commercial space, it's just nice, clean, bright, vibrant imagery is what they want, and that's what works in that space, especially for marketing and all that stuff. It's just, there's a standard for each industry. Like I said, in other ones, do whatever you like, whatever works, whatever gets you jobs. Hopefully this helps you sort of get your editing dialed in if you do want to go into that commercial space and offer photography as a service to those types of clients. So get that preset. Like I said, no strings attached. I had it set up through a different thing, but I've changed it to just a Google Drive folder now. You just click on it, download it, done. And it's just a good little starting point for you guys. Slap that on an image and sort of see where I would start and then go from there and really get your images popping. Again, shoot it right in camera, you know, do everything you can to get your images right in camera, and then the editing is a breeze. I get a lot of questions about editing, and that's why I like making these videos, to show you guys how simple it can be. See my breath, look. It's that cold in here, so yeah, I'm going to go back inside and get warm. But hope that information helps. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.